In this video, I'm going to show you how to use bracket orders on ThinkorSwim Active Trader platform. So bracket orders are a great way to manage risk and automate your orders. So first, make sure you are logged into your ThinkorSwim account and navigate to the Active Trader tab. You can find it at the top of your screen. It's where all the real actions happen. So next, choose the stock or options you want to trade. You can type it in the symbol box at the top. And then now on the active trader, so click this trade, and then you'll see here the active trader layout, and then you'll see the order entry section. So look for the options that says set bracket orders, and then click that the enable it, or click to enable it. It automatically add a profit target and a stop loss to your order. So assuming we've finished that, so once you've enabled bracket orders, you'll see two levels on your chart, and then the stop loss and the profit target. So the stop loss is your exit point if the stock moves against you, and then the profit target is where you want to sell once the stock reaches a certain price. So you can add this by clicking and dragging the lines on the top chart, or you can manually input the price levels you want. So before you submit, double check everything. So make sure your order type is like market limit, or it's up to you. So quantity and price levels are set correctly. So once everything looks good, hit the confirm and send. And then bracket orders are a great way to automate your orders and limit trades. But remember, always monitor the market to stay on the top of your positions. And that's it. You successfully set up a bracket orders on ThinkorSwim Active Trader. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.